Hey guys, in this video let me share you how to change Google profile picture. So firstly on the PC, so once you logged in with your Google account in your Google Chrome browser, at the top right you can see your Google account profile icon. Just to click on this. Now in your profile picture, just to hover the mouse, now you can see change profile picture. Just to click on this. Now you will get a change profile picture window. Now here you can upload from your device or take a picture, or you can upload it from your Google Photos like that. I am clicking on upload from device. Select the photo you want to upload. So after uploaded, so now it automatically auto cropped. So just to click on next and click on save as profile picture. So now the profile picture updated. So now this is for the PC. Now in your smartphone, just to open any Google product application like a Google application or Google Maps or Gemini like that, just to open the Google app. Now at top right, you can see the profile icon. Click on this. Now again, click on the profile icon. So now it enters to the change profile picture. Now just to click on upload from device, upload the photo you want. So after uploaded, click on next, click on save as profile picture. And now the profile picture is updated and profile picture is changed. So now in this way you can change Google profile picture easily. Well, that's it about this video guys. Hopefully if you like this video, hit the like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.